I'm back. I'm back. Welcome back to Night Edits episode 4. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about wavy text. By the way, if you ever come on this video and you see my eyes are red, it's because I'm literally editing at night and I've been staring at the screen. So I'm in the same boat as you guys are in. In this video, we're going to be talking about wavy text. I did a video or painting on LaMelo Ball, and this is the wavy text we're going to be working on right here.
I'm in my own world, and it's so much better, and it's so much better, and it's so much better, and it's so much.
All right, so I have Premiere opened, and we're gonna do this effect in Premiere Pro. So I have my footage here, and I muted the audio, and I want this wavy text to come around this area here. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create the text. So I am going to click on text here and first spell out LaMelo, which is his first name. So I'm gonna go LaMelo. And then what I'm also gonna do is I am going to, I don't know why this text is all the way up here. I kind of want that glitch type look effect, like how you can see in the painting, or if you go to the TikTok logo, you can actually see how they have like that glitch red background and blue foreground. I want the same thing, so I'm gonna duplicate the text, and on Mac it's hold Option and drag the existing text. And then the background, I want it to be red. So I'm gonna, I believe, click on the second LaMelo text here and then change the color to red. So the back should be red. And how we're gonna check that, we're gonna click on the top layer where it is covering the red, and we're gonna pull it. Just pull it, damn, boom. So it kind of gives that nice 3D glitch-like type effect, and I like that effect. So the next text I'm gonna create is the Charlotte Hornets, which is the team that he plays for. And honestly, what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna create the text from scratch. I'm just gonna copy the LaMelo one here. Hold Option and copy up here. So that should give you the same thing. So I'm gonna pull down this duplicate text. And then what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna make this smaller because I want the Charlotte Hornets to be like a subtext. Now, you're here for the wave E effect. So you're gonna go in, for the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna hide the red layer at the back here because I kind of want to work on one layer first, on the blue layer, and then duplicate that to the other layer. So you're gonna go on your left-hand panel on the effects control and type in wave warp. When you find wave warp, you're gonna drag it onto your first text layer here. Now on the left-hand side, you're gonna see a bunch of options for you to adjust the wave warp. You can adjust the height. So for example, if I go to like, I don't know, 100 height, you're gonna see that it goes haywire. It's really high. But I have a figure in mind that I want it to be around 20 because I kind of want it subtle. So, and I kind of still want to see the LaMelo. The wave width, we can adjust that too. If you go all the way to like, I'm going to like 500 to kind of make it smooth and how wide kind of I want the wave to be. The wave speed, the wave direction, I want it at a 90-degree angle because I want it to go from left to right, up and down, but the angle, it's, you know, is horizontal. The wave speed, I have a figure here of 0.3 because I want it to be subtle. Now, what's gonna happen if you do it all the way up here? If you wanna see that, let's play it. It becomes really rigid and fast, but I want it at like very subtle. So I want it like at 0.3. I really want it nice, slow, and wavy like that. So now that I'm happy with everything else, I don't have to ignore all the other stuff. Now that I'm happy with that, all I need to do to duplicate this onto the other layers is I'm gonna unhide the red layer it's click on the layer that I just did the effect, click on Wave Warp, copy, Command C for Mac, Ctrl C for Windows, and then go to the layer behind it, which is the red layer, and paste the effect there. So if I play it, they should all be in sync. So let's see. So they're both waving right now. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the Charlotte Hornets. I did the effect on the red layer, so I'm gonna click on the red layer, copy the effect from Wave Warp, go to Charlotte Hornets, and then paste. And then, so that should be in sync with the Charlotte Hornets. So let's see. Boom. So they're all in sync right now, and they're all waving. That's how you do the effect. Very, very simple. If you got anything out of this, like the video, subscribe. By the way, so this painting is of LaMelo Ball, who plays for the Charlotte Hornets. I'm on an NBA series. I do NBA paintings, and I post some the finals on my YouTube channel, my main channel. So go subscribe there if you're interested. And then sometimes I do kind of cool reels, cool editing stuff with the paintings, and that's and if I can figure out any type of effects and I do some cool effects, I bring them onto this channel to help you guys. But yeah, if you enjoyed that, comment down below, like, subscribe, and let me know of any questions you guys have. But thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.